What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and I'm coming at you with a Tailwind Tribe strategy. Okay, really important stuff here. Now, what is Tailwind? First off, what is Tailwind? It's a way to automate your Pinterest pins so you don't have to sit there and pin an image every 15 to 30 minutes. Very powerful tool. I highly recommend it if you're into Pinterest traffic. It's a game changer, okay? Before Tailwind Tribe, I was doing it manually. Before Tailwind, right? What's a Tailwind Tribe? A Tailwind Tribe is very much like a shared Pinterest group board, but it's on the Tailwind platform. These people on the Tailwind platform tend to be more serious about their Tailwind, about their Pinterest traffic, because they're actually paying for a tool on a yearly basis that will help them automate the process. So you can guarantee the people in this, for example, Tailwind Tribe are very committed to getting Pinterest traffic, repinning other people's pins. So you want to be around those types of people, okay? So this is like a shared Pinterest group on steroids, okay? Really important. So this is my Tailwind Tribe, for example. Now you don't have to make your own Tailwind Tribe. I'm just showing mine as an example. So the first part of the strategy of the Tailwind Tribe strategy is you want to join a Tailwind Tribe that's within your niche. Okay, so if you're in the dog niche, you're not going to join a Tailwind Tribe about cats. Doesn't make any sense, right? So the next rule is you want to follow the rules. A lot of Tailwind Tribes have different rules. A nice rule of thumb is to share more than you actually pin. Okay, sorry. Reshare other people's pins more than you drop your own pins, okay? So that's one of my rules. I ask the people here to share more of other people's pins instead of just dropping their Pinterest pins within my tribe. Now, the people who break the rule, I kick them out, okay? So this person, for example, has shared 119 of their pins, but has only reshared 116 pins. This person has to go, okay, for example. Just like that, I do not tolerate people who break my rules, and I make sure I keep the quality of my Tailwind Tribe to the highest standard because I enforce the rules that I state, okay? That's really important. You want to follow the rules and just as a rule of thumb, you want to repin other people's pins more than you actually just drop your pins into the Tailwind Tribe, okay? So the next thing, you want to use the power of reciprocity, right? People want to help you if you help them, right? I don't know, maybe it's a biological or mental urge for us to reciprocate when someone helps us out, right? So you want to be the first to repin, okay? That's another important thing. And also you want to make sure that you're pinning quality pins, okay? I don't know how many times I'm going to say pins in this video, forgive me, but here I go. Okay, so for example, how to start a business in 30 days. I like this pin a lot. It has a nice description. It has tags. It has an actual website. I like it. Unfortunately, it's not an HTTPS, but I'll let it go. So how to start a business falls in several categories. Could fall into affiliate marketing. It can fall into any marketing SEO. It can fall into e-commerce, all kinds. Okay, so what I like to do, this is next one, is put them within a group. So at one go, I have them shared on, or I have them scheduled on several different Pinterest boards. Instead of just a one-off like this, right? You want to make sure you pin them to several different boards or queue them up on your schedule, on your Tailwind schedule, on several different boards. So when they wake up in the morning and they check out the Tailwind Tribe and they see that you have repinned their pin on several different, boards, that makes them happy, and they're gonna seek you out and they're gonna pin your content, okay? So this person's pin, I'm gonna share with all of these boards. Not all at once, of course. Remember, when you add these different pins onto your Tailwind, it will pin them at different times. It will put them into your schedule. Okay, so don't worry. It's not like you're spamming Pinterest, because let me show you right quick. All of the pins that you add within your Tailwind Tribe are going to be put within your Any day now. 1, 2, 3. Boom! Will be put within your schedule here. Come on, show up. This thing is taking 1,000 years over here. Okay, 1 second. Any day now. Okay, see over here to my right where my mouse is circling. Okay, that's where that pin I dropped. Now it's going to be repinned to several different groups, and it's going to be, like I said, scheduled. And I'm going to actually shuffle my schedule so that it's spread out evenly. It's spread out evenly through my schedule here, through my list. And there you go. That's a powerful Tailwind Tribe strategy. So number 1, join a Tailwind Tribe that is niche related. Actually, join multiple Tailwind Tribes that's niche related. But number 2, make sure that Tailwind Tribe is lively. Okay, really important stuff. Okay, so you can see my Tailwind Tribe here is very lively, a lot of engagement. Okay, and you want to, like I said, you not only do you want to join a very lively, engaging Tailwind Tribe, you want to follow the rules. You always want to repin more than you share your own pins, okay? And by the mere power of reciprocity, people are going to almost be compelled to repin your stuff, your pins, okay? And of course, you want to pin Pinterest pins of value. You wanna pin beautiful pins. You want to pin beautiful pins that have descriptions. For example, this person here doesn't have a description. This is not good. Now, because I am the owner of this Tailwind Tribe, I have the power to delete this. Okay, just like that. Okay, so again, follow the rules and make sure that you help out people, and people, I'm sure, will help you out. Very simple, very clear Tailwind Tribe strategy. If you can see right here, my internet marketing, again, tribe is very popular, very lively, very engaging. If you're in the internet marketing niche, make sure you join. I'm sure you'll love it. Okay, take care. This is Pause, and I hope you like this video. Ciao. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.